Namo Buddhaya and Jai Bhim. On this auspicious day of Buddha Purnima, myself Aham Nagrade would like to present before you some important teachings of Lord Buddha. No person in this world has studied the mind and matter of human being like Buddha. Hence Lord Buddha taught us that mind is everything and what you think you become. Lord Buddha taught us not to believe in traditions because they have been handed down for many generations, but to observe and analyze and find the logic reason behind believing that traditions or things. Hence Lord Buddha said, doubt everything, find your own light. Atta Deepa Bhava. Lord Buddha discovered four noble truths about human life that first, life is suffering. Second, the cause of suffering is desire. Third, the cessation of suffering is cessation of desire. Fourth, the path to cessation of desire needs practice. Hence Lord Buddha said, pain is certain, suffering is optional. Lord Buddha taught us to get rid of hate and anger. He said, you will not be punished for your anger, you will be punished by your anger. Lord Buddha taught us the theory of impermanence, that means everything is changing. The whole universe is changing each and every moment. Hence he said, each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Lord Buddha taught us 10 paramitas, the first and most important of which is generosity. Hence he said, give even if you have a little. Lord Buddha showed us the Noble Eightfold Path to make our life happy. He taught us that happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of that candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. So share your happiness with others, and sharing means caring also. Lord Buddha taught us to take care of our health. Hence he told us to keep the body in good health, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. Lord Buddha taught us a very important rule on human relationship. He said, hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule he taught us. According to Lord Buddha's teachings, being kind to all creatures is the true religion. Lord Buddha taught us not to lose hope or give up under any circumstances, because no matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. It is because of his teachings that Daku Angulimal became a monk. The most important tool given by Lord Buddha is Vipassana meditation, which taught us not to dwell in the past, not dream of the future, and concentrate the mind on present moment. Once Lord Buddha was asked, what have you gained from meditation? He replied, nothing. However, let me tell you what I have lost. I lost anger, anxiety, depression, insecurity, fear of old age and death. In the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go the things not need for you. Once Albert Einstein, a great physicist, said, if there is a religion that will cope with modern scientific needs, it will be Buddhism. I feel very proud and grateful that I am born in a community which follows Buddhism. Thank you and Jai Hind.